Samsung users are seeing green lines again after the latest update. A growing number of Samsung users are reporting the return of the infamous green line display issue, and this time many believe it started appearing after installing the latest One UI 8.5 update. The green line problem first gained attention back in 2023 and has affected various Galaxy devices over the years. Now fresh reports are surfacing online, with some Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S21 FE users claiming their displays developed vertical green lines shortly after updating their phones. The latest complaints began appearing on X, where user Afif shared a video showing a bright green vertical line running across the display of his Galaxy S23. According to the user, the issue appeared soon after installing the One UI 8.5 update. Another user, Abhash Kumar Boy, reported a similar experience with his Galaxy S21 FE. In his post, he stated that after updating his device, a green line suddenly appeared on the display, leading many users to question whether the software update could be connected to the issue. At the moment, it remains unclear how many devices have been affected. However, the reports are gaining attention quickly, with more Galaxy users discussing the problem across social media platforms. What's important to understand is that the green line issue is not new. Over the last few years, several Galaxy smartphone owners have reported permanent green or pink lines appearing on their screens. In certain regions, Samsung even offered free display replacements for eligible devices, including some units that were already out of warranty. Many repair experts believe the issue is usually related to display hardware rather than software alone. However, software updates can sometimes increase device temperature or trigger existing weaknesses within the display panel, which may lead to lines appearing on the screen. That said, there is currently no official evidence confirming that One UI 8.5 directly causes the problem. The exact reason can vary from device to device. So far, Samsung has not released an official statement regarding these latest complaints. As a result, affected users are now waiting to see whether the company will acknowledge the issue and potentially launch another free display replacement program. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this green line issue? Have you experienced any display problems after updating to One UI 8.5? Let me know down in the comment section as always. See you in the next video. Peace out.